founder and CEO of Lux Beauty.
The owner of First Mason.
I'm the publisher of Rising Tiger. I handle multiple brands.
I am a mother,
An entrepreneur.
I'm the CEO.
I'm an actress.
And everything you want me to be.
What stands out as a woman leader is that we lead not just with our brains, but with our heart.
As a leader, you can jungle everything in one place all at the same time.
Ngayong Women's Month, equality is very relevant.
you do not have to conform with the society.
Sila nga nagawa nila, bakit ikaw hindi mo kaya?